OSIsoft's investment in our program means making an investment in South Texas. In fact, OSIsoft's gift in their PI system or software, along with services valued at over $1 million and used by companies around the world. This, I'm getting nods back there by the experts, and so I can't tell you how pleased we all are about this. This gift will continuously impact the quality of training that our students receive while preparing to join the workforce in the Coastal Bend and all throughout South Texas. With OSIsoft's PI system providing our students with world-class knowledge and skills, we'll keep our region competitive at a global level, and that is a difference maker right there.
We have approximately 500 students who are enrolled right now within this process technology and industrial instrumentation program. This program has grown from about 50 students over the last 2 to 3 years. And that is showing the need within the workforce and how the college and the community and the business community has responded to this need. The revitalization of the curriculum is key, and it depends upon the resources such as PI software and OSIsoft, and coming together to provide us those resources to make sure that what we teach is what industry needs. Because we want our students to leave here with the best skills possible and look at those jobs that are not just here in our region, but are needed worldwide. So thank you again, Jim. This is a fantastic gift.
So what we're donating is the PI system, first and foremost, which is a real-time data infrastructure. And by that, what I mean is it'll collect data from many, many sources of real-time data. Typically in industry, it collects data from control systems and SCADA systems and sensors and all these real-time things that are producing data. And then what we do is we consolidate them all. The PI system consolidates the data. It puts it in proper context so that different people in the plants and the business can run their plant better and do their jobs more efficiently. In closing, we're happy to work with Del Mar. We're really excited about helping them train the workforce of tomorrow, and we're really excited about the students learning our technology and blending it with their engineering and operations careers.
Some of you guys have heard what I'm about to say, and I'm going to say it again with confidence because this is something I truly believe in as a student. This is something I know my fellow student peers truly believe in, and I know my instructors believe in it as well, and that's this. As this process technology degree program continues to grow and move forward by the leaps and bounds that it's doing, I can assure you that any industrial company looking to acquire the best candidates for their organization's future will not find a better deal than from right here within the pool of Del Mar's process technology students. And this is because every semester, Del Mar continues to raise the bar of process technology education. And as process technology students, we are fully committed to being highly educated, safety-oriented, and extremely motivated process technicians by the time we graduate and leave this program. Thank you.